What's up everyone? Welcome to this tutorial. Can you watch ESPN without a TV provider? Well, we'll be showing you 4 options you can explore in order to watch ESPN without a TV provider. The first option is to go over to fubo.tv. On fubo.tv, you can sign up, and as you can see, among the 451 channels available, you can watch ESPN. The second option is going over to YouTube TV. When we go over to YouTube TV, we can see that we have lots of channels. Among these, you can find ESPN. The third option is sling.com. You can use sling.com to watch ESPN. When we scroll down, we can see that you have ESPN included in the 35 channel for the orange package. And then lastly, we have hulu.com. On Hulu, you can also watch ESPN without a TV provider. And then when we scroll down, you can see live sports and you can see the logo ESPN. Now, the great things about these options is you can try these services for free and see which is the best on offer. For example, you could try Hulu for 3 days. YouTube TV also has the option to try for free for a period of time, and Fubo TV has a free trial. So you can go ahead and explore these different options to watch ESPN without a TV provider. Let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.